Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on netbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Sekhukhune 0. I'm joined by the only Kaizer Chiefs fan that speaks football. It's London.
Steve.
And brother Mutang.
Sure, Steve. Double people.
Double people.
Steve, let me start by giving credit to people who gave their support to Gubevu. Yeah, I would like to thank everyone who we saw on the social media platform through the week. Batho ba fa support ko di servicing tsa hae. We thank you for sacrificing your time and go and support the family and represent on behalf of us as a Kaizer Chiefs fans. We really appreciate, and also not forgetting them to carry on about this weekend. It's about finishing and last moment to say goodbye to him. I would like to call people from Eastern Cape to go in numbers because of for us, some of us, we can't reach there. So, but spiritually, I believe that we're gonna be with them. Anyway, going to today's game, I didn't want Mamelodi Sundowns to win this game. I'll be honest with you, Steve. But it's for a shame for me because of Winile. Credit to Sekhukhune ka mokho ba dominating game ka teng 90 minutes. It was not a boring game but a tough game.
Yeah.
So this one was not a boring game but a tough game because of Sundowns. We expected them to play with a team like Sekhukhune to score 3 goals before 90 minutes, but Sekhukhune, they went and do a homework Mamelodi Sundowns, and it's worked for them. It's unfortunately they lost a concentration last 10 minutes and then even not 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, then Yaba lose a game. For me, going to the penalties, I believe Ronaldo Natli Lohuira a history today. Credit to him, such a goalkeeper. It's a second goalkeeper, third goalkeeper actually in our country after Williams and China. I believe that is on top 5. Remember, we still have Vuma. So I would like to say keep it up like that. You're gonna go far, you'll grow like that. So credit to him. Steve, let me also tell you this, Grootman. I'm not afraid for Mamelodi Sundowns, Grootman. I've been waiting for them, and this time, Grootman, I'm going to bear them. Ko iraleka sibiana. Ko buluka Sundowns Grootman. Ya final ko buditso re Chiefs yon ka final ya Nedbank. And for Mamelodi Sundowns to win and we start to beef here and Tomo Shaker as a Chiefs fan. Then you are not a true Kaizer Chiefs fan.
Exactly.
Also believe you go Chiefs then Tomo ba wiki ko Sundowns to win, then there's a song your final ke Pirate le Sundowns. Isn't Nabi sentanele coachare.
Never.
As long as Nabi is sentanele coachara ya Kaizer Chiefs Grootman, we are still going to take this net back. Not later, but no before competition fail.
This season.
I told you I'm waiting for a Marumo Gallant or Orlando Pirates. I would like everyone to make a sold out of Grootman Hero Dalale Sundowns.
Sure.
Hoirala processing solore azansa irala past 10 years. And like past 3 years, more this Nedbank Cup. Grootman, we are going to cost Cardoso Uilotia sick leave, Grootman, after that game.
Exactly.
But let me also do this, Grootman, on behalf of anyone, Mamelodi Sundowns supporters. Going to that game, ya Tuesday. You see that game yabona Tuesday le Esperance. Grootman ne ke na le this lady ba re ke mang wa Mamelodi Sundowns Mamello. Yeah, so le KG.
No plomile ena
ke president and vice president.
No plomile Mamello.
No, ke ra hore ba approve loan ya contract ya ka 8 hours ka Tuesday. You know why I'll be supporting Mamelodi Sundowns?
Why, my brother?
We are going to play Club World. They are going to play Club World Cup. After that Club World Cup, there's a competition every World Cup.
Yeah.
Grootman, without fear on favor, I'm going to support Sundowns because of performance at Sundowns. Yoruba Daleko Kef. Ke yona e rang hore di country di re chabe ko national team. Grootman, Orlando Pirates e joinile Muzabalazo. Look at the performance ona bano ba selected di player tsa bona ba dhala bjang ko squadeng.
Yeah.
It's about time even us as a Kaizer Chiefs we get there, we do the same. For us to say to attack the coach Hungo Bruce and say no, he must get off of Kaizer Chiefs. I'm gonna say that apologize to the national coach of Bafana Bafana.
Yeah.
He must forgive us as a Kaizer Chiefs somehow when we talk things without respect. It's totally wrong.
Unacceptable.
Grootman, look at now, he got the result without us, without any player at Kaizer Chiefs. As long as I selected the player, that's already win. I tell you Sundowns, I tell you Pirates, I tell you country. Grootman, we need to do this. We were working from position level 1 to level 10 as Kaizer Chiefs.
Sure.
We are on the level 7. Let us be patient. If we reach 10 over 10, re tlo dhala le rena ba tlo re selecta ko squadeng.
Yes.
O ka no kry ko World Cup ho na le di player tse 5 tsa Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Why should we panic? Ilori, we are there. We are getting there. It's not like we are not doing well.
Right. Yeah.
Anyway, congratulations for winning against Golden Arrows tomorrow ko Durban. Mushato Moholo wa South Africa. Grootman, we will be there to witness the win tomorrow, and that win is going to give us the confidence to kill Maraba Start FC. Grootman. Conclusion yaga Estivo, I would like to say this, Brayaga. There's a player called Mamelodi Sundowns. He was differ from Stellenbosch. But the person Adams,
Yeah.
was Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
Le Adams or Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
They are not the same. That guy is like he was baptized or barking.
Yeah.
Baptized.
Yeah.
That guy afita go Mamelodi Sundowns Grootman ba mo kolobeditse. Wa Grootman solely a haye ke nngwe.
Yeah.
Mfanole Grootman, watch the space. After Sundowns we go Club World Cup, watch the space.
Quality.
Yeah, like ke tsona di player tse tshwantse re di rekise ka 60 something million. Rather than the fake 60 something million tse re di bonang ka mo.
Yes.
Ba re ke sales or ke sales. Ayo dalla Black Leopard. No, he must go. Ba mo loan ayo dalla Black Leopard.
Black Leopard.
Ayo gain, yeah, Black Leopard. Salasa must get the loan ayo dalla Black Leopard to tabo.
Yes.
If batla go Club World Cup, ka Salasa or mo kireleng go Temu.
Yeah.
No, they are not. They are going to come back home very early. Grootman, at least ke bone men of them. No, I'm telling you, if this Salasa, the owner of Spa, Atama, then by kind of Club World Cup,
Yeah.
dangerous. But anyway, congratulations, Bafwe, to conclusion yaka. Pirates yo dhala, Stellenbosch so dhala, Sundowns yo dhala Kefe this week.
General.
So, on my conclusion, I would like to wish Mamelodi Sundowns le Esperance, hore ba ibola Esperance. Pirates home, ba dhala away. Le bona re ba khopello re ba dlale pila ba buele win ka nthele. Stellenbosch le bona Grootman ba ire pila ka nthele Brayaga.
General.
Grootman.
Be safe. Tsa goalkeepers Kukune ne dilika.
Wa tsene di lika ya Grootman.
Buka.
Ne di tsamaisana le birthday ya hao.
28.
Grootman, before ya go di savings Thibo. Wa itse ke leboa modimo o tlisitse mo lefatsheng Brayaga.
Yes.
Grootman, I think to be with someone, a presenter of the year like you, standing in front of the London, Grootman.
Yeah.
Kintongwe elore Brayaga, I think sometimes when I pray, ke re modimo re leboa o re file Thibo.
Thank God.
Thibo o changitse football ya PSL o United ape o re no to ke reke melele Sundowns le ma Pirates re argue ka bolo bjana.
Never.
Mara because of Thibo we can talk and share the opinion.
Thank you, member.
Grootman, we are so blessed to have someone like you,
Thank you, member.
a presenter of the year like you.
Ase Thomas Mlambo.
Presenter of the year is Thibo from Amafeng to wait.
Ase Ncube.
Let's talk about the safe it's a goalkeeper.
Kutlile ba re ne di le 10.
Safe it's a goalkeeper ne di le 10 Grootman and it's a male something. But hona le goal ya Shalulile Grootman e lo re ne tsamaile le 20 millions. But ba ganne ka goal ba re ke offside and it was onside not offside.
Yeah.
Grootman wa bona ya kena call. Wa bona ba re ke ska bu. No miss call wa bona.
Aba batle re bue ka 20,000 for every goal. E saveilweng ke keeper ole. 200,000 ele ko Nedbank Cup .co.za.
So hore ke re ke Rabian Steve.
Nedbank Cup .co.za.
Ke a dial fela.
Register fela online.
Then ka ba ke joinile.
KG a o jwetsa ka ntwe.
Anya ke tshware 200. KG anya ke tshware o nyako jali 1. No o nyako jali 1.
Oh, man tšhelete le pa KG. Go sa jwetsa demand.
Ka le ke mo tsaya go a nya ke
London tsamoetsa di. Ne thank you.